Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be teaching you guys how to fix startup repair couldn't repair your PC. It's a message that many of our Windows user experience, but fear not, here's a quick fix for this. So let's get started. Here, restart your PC and after that tap on advanced options, then select troubleshoot. Here again click on advanced options, then go for command prompt. There you will have a prompt. Type on chkdsk. This command will help you fix your issues if you have any in your hard disk. Next command that you have to type is sfc/scannow. And the next one is bootrec/fixmbr. Now the final command that you got to type is bootrec/rebuildbct. Now here simply type exit and then tap on continue. Here after this your system will get rebooted, and once your laptop has been restarted, all the problems will be fixed. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching.